Hi, I'm Heike from Genii. I'm here to give you an introduction to the Nokia Lumia 520. I'll guide you through the setup basics and show you how to personalise it to suit your needs. Your Lumia 520 runs on a groundbreaking new operating system, Windows 8. Team this with a 1 gigahertz dual processor and you've got a perfect business partner. Now let's take a look at what's in the box. Your 520 comes with an AC adapter, USB cable, earphones and user guides. To get started, remove the back, insert your micro SIM and battery, then replace the cover. Now press the power button until the screen comes to life. Once powered up, you'll be taken through the setup wizard. This is easy to follow and takes just a few minutes. Tap the Get Started button. Your 520 will default to English, so just tap Next. You'll need to read and accept the Windows Phone terms of use, then tap Accept. For the purposes of this demonstration, we'll use the recommended configuration for the Windows Phone settings on the next screen. Now choose your time zone and tap Next. To get access to applications, games and music in the marketplace, now's a good time to create or sign into your Windows Live account. Just enter your email address and password, then tap Sign In. Backing up your data gives you peace of mind, so tap Yes to continue. When applications have finished installing, tap Next to be taken through to the Nokia Terms and Privacy Policy Acceptance. That's your 520 all set up. I'll now explain some of the standard device features to get you started. To lock the display, press the power button on the device briefly. The screen will go dark, which means it's in standby mode. You can do this while on any active screen. To unlock the device, press the power button and swipe across the screen. To control ringtone volume, press the volume button down. You'll see the volume dropping at the top of the screen. Your phone will default to ring and vibrate. You can switch to vibrate only just by tapping the volume icon, which also appears at the top of the screen. For extra security, we recommend that you create a passcode lock. It needs to be one you can easily remember, but not something people can easily guess. To set a passcode from the home screen, swipe left to access the Apps menu, then tap Settings, then scroll down to Lock Screen. Swipe right to switch passcode on. Enter, then confirm your passcode and tap Done. To return to the home screen at any time, tap the Windows icon. Your home screen is arranged into hubs of information called tiles. There are tiles for people, Microsoft Office, messaging, maps and more. Just tap on one to explore. To go back a step at any point, just tap the back button. To switch quickly between applications you have open, press and hold the back button. Your 520 is very people-centric. It takes contacts from your SIM, Facebook, Twitter, LinkedIn and practically any email account and brings them all together. Regardless of what way you choose to reach someone throughout the course of your day, your conversations will all thread together. To contact someone, tap People and either scroll down your list of contacts or tap the search icon and start typing in your contact's name. Tap your contact and choose which way you want to reach them from all of the options available. When you're sending a text message, your 520 will suggest words to you as you type, which speeds things up a lot. You can also turn the phone sideways to bring up a bigger keyboard. The tiles on your home screen alert you to all of the latest happenings on your 520, like receiving voicemail, appointment reminders, software updates and emails. Information will appear on tiles when you have a notification. Just tap the tile to go through to a screen telling you more about that notification. Tap the Windows key to return to the home screen. Next, we'll take a look at personalisation. Your 520 allows you to customise many things like ringtones, tile placement and wallpaper. To move tiles around on the home screen, long press the app you want to move. Your 520 will release the tile and a little pin icon will appear on it. Now drag the tile to where you'd like it to sit, then tap away from the tiles to confirm the replacement. To add a new tile to the home screen, swipe left to reach the Apps menu. Long press on the chosen app, then tap Pin to start. You can remove a tile by long pressing again, then tapping the pin symbol. When your 520 is locked, you'll see your wallpaper when you go to unlock it. You can change this image by tapping on Settings in the App menu. Then Lock Screen, then choose Background. Now choose from the Gallery Access options and then tap Change Photo. Select a gallery and browse the options. Tap the one you want and tick to set it. The store is where you'll find a wealth of applications to increase productivity or enhance your free time. Here you can find an app for almost anything, from social and business networking through to life planning and navigation. Just tap on the store icon on the home screen. Browse the categories or type the app you're after into the search bar. Tap on your chosen app for more information and to download. If you plan to take your 520 overseas, it's a good idea to download the Telecom Roaming app. It's a great free tool that helps you manage data costs when you're overseas. You can even put a data smart cap in place so that when you reach your chosen spend limit, data usage will stop. Free alerts will tell you how your usage is going to. Tap Install. Now launch the Telecom Roaming app from the home screen. Agree to the terms and then tap the $sign. Now tap Data Smart Caps to set the limit on data roaming spend. Tap the link, then tap Change to adjust your threshold. Next, we'll look at email. During the setup process, you may have entered Windows Live account details. This means your personal email will be ready to access. You can also set up other accounts, including corporate Exchange email and social media accounts. Before you set up Exchange email, you'll need the relevant information from your mail server administrator. Exchange settings vary, so if you have any trouble with this next step, please speak with your administrator. From the home screen, swipe left to access the Apps menu, then tap Settings, then Email and Accounts. Now tap Add an Account and choose Outlook. Enter your work email address and password, then tap Sign In. Now enter the information your mail server administrator has provided. You may need to hit the Advanced button to provide full details. Tap Sign In or Next and Outlook will start to synchronize. Back at the Email and Accounts menu, tap on your Exchange account to adjust mail settings. Bluetooth offers you wireless connectivity over short distances from your 520. This can be up to 10 meters and you can use it to link devices like car kits and headsets. From the home screen, swipe left for the Apps menu. Then tap Settings, then Bluetooth. Swipe right to turn Bluetooth on. A scan for devices nearby will start automatically. Scroll down the list of scanned devices until you see the Bluetooth device you wish to pair with and tap on it. Check that the pin matches, then accept the pairing request on both devices. Bluetooth devices vary, so you may need to follow specific instructions to pair. Next, I'm going to cover some handy apps on your 520. Smartphones are irresistible to children, but letting them play with your work phone can be risky. Your 520 takes all the worry out of this with Kids Corner. This is an app that contains only the things that you want your children to play with, removing the risk of important information being inadvertently misused or deleted. From the home screen, swipe left for the Apps menu and scroll to Settings, then Kids Corner. Tap Next to choose what apps you want to give your children access to and tap Finished. Kids Corner will then be accessible by swiping left from the lock screen. Your 520 is ready for business with Microsoft Office built in. All the things you're used to are there, like Word, Excel and PowerPoint, so you can quickly create, review and edit documents wherever you are. And if you sync up with SkyDrive or work with Office 365, edits you make on your 520 will be accessible by other users. The last feature we'll cover is power management. We'll give you some quick tips to extend the life of your battery so you can stay connected for longer. Reducing the time it takes for your screen to time out helps save power. From the home screen, swipe left for the Apps menu, then tap Settings, then Lock Screen. Scroll down to the screen timeout and adjust accordingly. If you're out and about with low battery, switch on Battery Saver in the Settings menu. This turns off certain applications when your battery is low, leaving you more time for critical tasks. When you're not using Wi-Fi and Bluetooth, make sure these features are switched off to extend the life of your battery. Both options can be found in the Settings menu and a quick swipe turns them on or off. You're now on your way to discovering even more on your Nokia Lumia 520. Have a look through the menus and explore the applications to get this great smartphone doing the things you need it to. And remember, the more you practice, the easier it will become.